Before watching the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Eggplant is a vegetable from the nightshade family, which also includes tomatoes, okra, and zucchini that grows in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, and thrives in hot climates and during the summer months. They range from small globes about 2 inches in diameter to more oblong and tubular varietals 12 inches long or larger. The seeds of all eggplant varieties are edible, making it especially easy to cook. Nutritional value of eggplant. In 1 cup or 82 grams of eggplant, there are 11% of fiber, 10% of manganese, 5.4% of molybdenum, 5.3% of potassium, 4.5% of folate, 3.5% of vitamin K, 3.5% of vitamin C, 63.5% of vitamin B, 3.1% of tryptophan, and 2.8% of magnesium. 0.8 grams of protein, 4.82 grams of carbohydrates, and 0.15 grams of fat make up the 20 calories in this serving. 1 cup provides 10% of the recommended daily intake of fiber, 5% of vitamin B6, and 1% of iron. Anthocyanins, which are components of the naturally occurring phytochemical class known as flavonoids, are also found in eggplants. Many plant foods contain flavonoids, which not only provide health advantages, but also help give many fruits and vegetables their distinctive color. Anthocyanins, which give the eggplant its well-known dark purple color, in this case water-soluble pigments. The covering of the vegetable contains a large portion of the nutritional advantages of eating eggplants. The skin of the eggplant is rich in fiber, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. Because of its high phenolic content, which makes it a powerful free radical scavenger. Eggplant is one of the top 10 vegetables in terms of its ability to absorb oxygen radicals. Health benefits of eggplant. 1. Maintaining control of diabetes. A highly abundant source of low-soluble carbs and fiber is eggplant. They are therefore very helpful in controlling glucose absorption as well as blood sugar levels. They are therefore the ideal choice for those with type 2 diabetes. 2. Beneficial for the heart. The eggplant significantly lowers cholesterol levels. It also aids in maintaining a healthy blood pressure level. All of this reduces the likelihood of developing cardiac problems. The potassium component of this vegetable helps to keep the body well hydrated. This guarantees that there is no fluid retention, which guards against coronary heart disease. 3. Important for brain health. Phytonutrients found in eggplant protect cell membranes from harm and make it easier for messages to travel from one part of the brain to another, maintaining memory function. 4. Weight loss. Eggplant is thought to have a high water content despite having few calories. This characteristic makes it an excellent choice as a nutritious diet for persons looking to lose weight. Since these qualities are made possible by the vegetable's spongy structure, it is best to eat it raw whenever possible. 5. Digestion. The good fiber content in brinjals helps to keep the digestive system safe and healthy. Additionally, this avoids constipation. Colon cancer risk is also eliminated. 6. Prevents the emergence of chronic diseases. Eggplant lowers the risk of stroke and cardiovascular disease. 7. Strong hair. The water in eggplants nourishes the roots of your hair from the inside out. In turn, this keeps your hair healthier and stronger. 8. Moisturized scalp. Eggplants contain a lot of vitamins and minerals that nourish and maintain the health of your scalp. Consequently, it prevents scalp-related issues. 9. Promote hair growth. Eggplants contain enzymes that help stimulate the hair follicles and promote hair growth. This promotes healthy hair growth and improves the condition of your hair. Tips for storing. Because they spoil more quickly, it is essential to use eggplants as soon as possible. Place it in the fridge. Keep in mind that eggplants are sensitive to both high and low temperatures. Under these circumstances, they usually expire more quickly. Never chop eggplant and store it. As soon as the skin is cut and exposed to air, they begin to die. Place eggplant in the refrigerator's vegetable drawer after wrapping it in a plastic bag. Take it out of the plastic for a while to let it breathe if you purchased it in a plastic-wrapped form. Now cover it with new plastic wrap and put it in the fridge. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.